Welcome back to Car World RYK, the place where we explore the most insane supercars and hypercars in the world. Today's car is not just another Lamborghini. It's the Lamborghini Revuelto, the fastest and most advanced Lamborghini ever built. This beast replaces the legendary Aventador and introduces a completely new era for Lamborghini. For the first time in history, Lamborghini combined its iconic V12 engine with hybrid technology. Under the hood, the Revuelto packs a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with 3 electric motors. Together they produce an insane 1,001 horsepower. That power launches the Revuelto from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest Lamborghinis ever created. But speed isn't the only thing that makes this car special. The design is absolutely futuristic. Sharp Y-shaped LED lights, aggressive aerodynamic lines, and a fighter jet-inspired cockpit make the Revuelto look like a machine from the future. Inside the cabin, Lamborghini introduced a fully digital experience. You get a large driver display, a central touchscreen, and even a screen for the passenger. The hybrid system also allows the car to drive in full electric mode, something we never imagined in a Lamborghini V12 supercar. Despite all the new technology, Lamborghini kept the raw emotion alive. The screaming V12 engine still delivers that legendary sound every car enthusiast loves. The Revuelto proves that the future of supercars can be both electrified and insanely exciting. And with a price tag of around $600,000, this masterpiece is one of the most desirable supercars on the planet. So the question is, would you choose the Lamborghini Revuelto over other hypercars? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insane supercar content here on Car World RYK.